So now we are going to see the how to make the storage plan on an oil tanker on the Loadicator. So we are going to make budget plan for white products or clean products, that is gas oil of 10 ppm. And as per charter instruction, the discharge for drafts restriction are 12.05 at brackish waters between seawater and fresh water. So let's see, let's continue. And so sometimes the charter will provide you with the density and temperature. Otherwise, otherwise you can use density from previous voyages. We need the density at 15 degrees centigrade around as a standard value. The density also will be given by the surveyor also, like here for naphtha is 0.69 and for gasoline is 0.7400. Then temperature is very important, and temperature you can get from the administrative direction of that country at that time, which is the approximate. Take the higher temperature so that you don't have any loss or misdeclaration of cargo. And then so if you are loading in Russia in winter and you have a cargo temperature of -2 degrees centigrade, and discharge port is Malaysia where cargo temperature can rise up to 22 degrees. And if you load 19% Russia with -2, and on reaching Malaysia your tank will overflow because of a lot of expansion of the cargo. So we have to keep the highest temperature of the voyage, including the discharge port. So then we see all the other restrictions of draft on the load port, discharge port. Main intention is to make the storage plan to have the maximum load at arrival discharge port, so that we get the charters can get the maximum benefit. So for density corrections, we have table 54B, or for USA and all, we use 6B, but all these tables are already included in your Loadicators. Then we enter the cargo in all the tanks, then ballast and all these figures of the ship. Car ballast cannot be nil because always some unpayable ballast will be there. Maybe it's around 5 meter cube. So as per the ship's record, you can keep like that and put all the figures, and all the stability criteria will be calculated. Then we have to also see the on voyage consumption and generation of fresh water, fuel oil, and other things. Then maybe cargo residues or slogs, and you can see the ship's condition is changing after putting all the cargo and all. And we have to see the density of the seawater and the observed temperature on the higher side, whichever is there, highest voyage temperature. Then we keep some draft 5 centimeters in hand so that with hog and sack it's not exceeded, because we are not allowed to exceed the load line. And we get all the draft and stability particulars here.